Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making poached eggs. Guys, when you poach an egg, I recommend a pot with a depth of 3 inches of water. Also, your egg should be cold and use the freshest eggs possible. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. I already have a pot of water boiling on the stove. We're gonna go ahead and get our eggs ready. Crack the eggs into small balls, just like so, guys. As soon as the water starts to boil, add a tablespoon of vinegar. Use a whisk to stir the water and create a vortex. Then drop your egg right in the middle. This should take between 3 minutes for a firm and liquid yolks. If you like in a little firmer, add another minute or so. Set your timer to 3 minutes. Once timer is up, use a slithered spoon and remove the poached egg. Check if it's done by giving it a tap. If you feel it needs to be cooked for a little bit more, put it back in the water. Place in a paper towel to remove excess water, and your poached egg is ready. Season with salt and black pepper. There you have it, guys. Delicious poached egg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try it and let me know how it turned out for you. Just leave a comment down below. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.